Mineral deposits and other materials can collect in your water flosser, causing it to lose pressure and effectiveness. Here are some tips for cleaning to keep your water flosser performing at its best. Tip number 1. Clean the outside of your water flosser by wiping it down with a soft cloth and non-abrasive cleanser. Tip number 2. Clean the water reservoir by removing it from the unit. If your reservoir has a black valve, remove the valve before cleaning the reservoir. Put the reservoir in the top rack of the dishwasher. Make sure to air dry or turn off the heated dry cycle. Reservoirs can also be hand washed with warm soapy water. Tip number 3. Clean the internal parts. Based on your model, mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of white vinegar with a full reservoir of warm water and run it through the unit until the reservoir is empty. When complete, run a full reservoir of clean warm water through the unit. Tip number 4. For countertop models, clean the handle by removing the tip from the unit and soaking the water flosser handle in a mixture of 2 parts water, 1 part vinegar for 5 to 7 minutes. Rinse the handle under warm water. Tip number 5. Clean the flosser tip. Remove the tip from the unit and soak it in a container of 2 parts water, 1 part hydrogen peroxide or white vinegar for 5 minutes. Rinse the tip under warm water. For maximum effectiveness, we recommend replacing water flosser tips every 3 to 6 months. Use these tips every 1 to 3 months to keep your Waterpik water flosser clean and ensure optimal performance.